Penjelajahan baru bersama.
Let's see if they are ready at the back. Ready? Shall we give them a warm round of applause as we welcome our guitar and ukulele student?
Nah, kalian sudah bertepuk tangan kan? Masa tepuk tangannya kurang keras dong? Another applause? Yeah. You're welcome.
When the years of my life has
Song.
trying to get out, big great hero home.
For recognizing the effort.
Dan pati yung pantalon ko eh.
28 years. Next will be Gloria. She's been serving with us for 27 years.
Pagkatapos si ano, si Mambian. I-cheer natin ang teacher natin. Pati si Mambian. Kawawa no? Oh. Pag si Mamlian, i-cheer natin pag si Mamlian.
Martina, she's been serving with us for 26 years. We bless. We bless. Helen Salvador also been serving for 26 years. Lian Mandila has been serving this us. 8 years.
Nagawas lang yan. Sampan kita tagal na pala si Rosie dito.
Lourdes Queladas, she's also been serving with us for 7 years. Imastini,
18 years na si Liano dahil 15 years.
she's been with us volunteering for 8 years. Chris Lavado, our MC, she's been serving with us for 8 years.
Daddy. Ano ni Ma'am Lian?
Gemma Tabadiang, been with us with volunteering for 8 years as well.
Gulat yun. Sino? Si Maylin. Yung kasama natin, ayun si Heidi.
Pinky Tagutinay,
Sino pa ba?
been serving as a volunteer for 8 years.
Meron pa. Yung nakasama natin mga volunteer mag-perform. Meron pa. Si Heidi. Si Maylin.
Rodrigo Daronque, been serving with us as a computer teaching assistant for 6 years.
Ilang years na ba natin ma'am? Wala pa no? 3 years. 3 years? Mga 2020. 4 years. 4 years? Ano yan?
Triwahyu Purbaning Room, been helping
Kapatid niya.
us as the counter volunteer for 3 years.
Ayan na sila. Malapit na yan sila. May mga sahod rin mga
Carmelita Gioda, also been helping with us for almost 3 years.
Walang sahod. Ay, ganun? Wala. Yan lang, certificate.
And Santos, been helping with us for more than 2 years.
Sino? Si Ma'am Lian. Sure.
Jessica Dumayas has been volunteering with us.
Si Atin, hindi pa na pumapalakpak doon.
Mary Yusianing Room, been helping us for more than 2 years as well.
Indonesia. Yun yung maputi na lagi.
Oo.
Ano yun siya?
Hedy Ruala Sacro, also
Grabe tawa ni Ma'am Lian.
Rosalie Barbo, also been helping us.
Mga kapatid.
Left as Pedro Aseo, also helping us. Mylene Pineda,
Wala na lang. Silent kasi nandun sa ito.
for helping us more than a year.
Wala na. Silent kasi Jessie. Si Jessie tapos na. Ayan, magpahinga na ko ba? Wala na.
Next will be Annie, our new volunteer. She's been helping us. Juliana Nobel, she is also our new volunteer instructor for dressmaking course. She's been helping for almost 1 year.
Mamaako. Namaos na.
Last one will be Sabaria. She's also our new volunteer helping us for almost 1 year.
Laki nga ni Ma'am Lian.
Thank you everyone. So we come forward to take a group photo together. Everyone want to sit next to Mr. Ho.
Wala buhay eh. Oh, di mo lang pumamalakpak. Eh, tayo papalakpak.